Samsung has launched its new affordable 5G phone under F-series in India called Galaxy F36, with AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F36 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with Mali G68MP5 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F36 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15, with One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's break down the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F36 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 17,499 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128 GB storage option is priced at 18,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 29th, in coral red, luxe violet, and onyx black color options. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy F36 5G smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. And stay tuned to the TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.